Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
There we go. So that's all from last night. All that did this done. It's Saturday, boys.
That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society.
This is what we're doing. We're going to do the oil tank gasket today. You gotta let it circulate a little bit. It's still some shit, but you know, we still gotta do it. And once that's done, stall. First stall. Oh, it's bad. Is the e-brake still on? Is the e-brake still on? Dude, the e-brake, bro. Jesus. So what happened? We got something. Easy. That long bitch ass nose almost came in and took my knees out. I have one. Actually, in the car. Here. Yo, Hunter. Awesome. Oh. You're currently removing the oil pan. Just drain the oil out, nice and easy. Wait, no, I can't. My thing isn't big enough. It's not gonna reach. Oh man, that's gonna be an issue. So Hunter's keeping all the bolts in one place, make sure that we don't lose them. Ben's down there removing the oil pan. Apparently, water coming out. And I can see it like dripping out down there, just constantly dripping. So that's an issue. We're gonna find out what that is and get back to you. Alright boys, so it is sometime later. So Ben and Hunter worked on the oil pan gasket a shit ton. And as you can see, it's all off. The oil, so they got the oil pan off, and what they had an issue with was figuring out how to get it back on again. It's really, really finicky, and it's like hard to fit up there and stuff. But we just went to the store, got some parts. We have the gasket, we have everything we should need. This is gonna be interesting, getting it back on, but it will happen. Alright. Alright guys, oil pan is back in. With the gasket, with everything it needs.
You got these like trim pieces you gotta remember.
Oil pan has trim pieces? In the world?
They're pieces that distribute the torque evenly.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh man, I don't know where the fuck it is. Hold on. Can I see one of them nuggets? The little screwdriver you had?
Alright, hold on. Let me get my hand up in here.
Hi. Hi. My name's Paul.
My name's Cletus.
And you're watching the Cletus McFarlane YouTube channel.
Let me have a short one. Short one, man. 3 bolts left.
3 bolts? Nice.
We got one sitting there.
Except, I think there's still one you need to find, maybe.
We got one down here.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So, I'm gonna finish the air intake. We got this clip, and it's much better than, I'll show you guys the buggy little fucking 42-year-old clip, hose clamp thing. Yeah. But I'm gonna put this one on instead, and that's actually gonna finish up the intake. As soon as I put that on, I gotta tighten up some bolts. Corey did all this, if you guys didn't see, last night. Just did it in like 5 minutes.
Done.
Alright though, boys, we're onto the car. Gonna see what we can do. So I gotta find the bolts you guys had issues tightening.
On the front driver's side.
Front driver. Oh, all of these guys?
Yeah,
Whew. Okay, these are gonna be some fun. Wait,
Don't worry about cutting them. Just give them minutes after 80%.
Okay. Well, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. I gotta focus on this. Oh, and I got shit in my eye already. God damn it, that was fast. Didn't even touch anything. Shit just wafted in there. Alright, so all the guys left. It's just me under the car. I have 2 more bolts left on this oil pan, and then I can tighten them all up, pretty much. I'm actually using some bolts from my interior to put this back in, because the other bolts are just gone. So I'm gonna try my hardest to get these 2 last bolts in. I'm pretty close, and then then we'll be set to tighten this whole thing down. And the oil pan will be back in. I can put the new oil in, and then I'm gonna go up there and try to finagle that intake that we've been trying for the last day and a half to do. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm just gonna kind of work like just a lot and just not film. So sorry guys, but yeah, I'm just gonna be not filming for a little while and just trying to get all this shit done, because I want to get back to school and take a shower and things like that. So yeah, that's what's going down. I'll see you guys when I'm done. If I'm done or if I give up, and then I need to go back over there. My whole interior is actually taken apart in that car, so I need to then put that back together before I can even drive back home. So a lot of fun things happening, a lot of work ahead of me. It is currently 3:45 at the moment. I'm trying to be done by 6, so we'll see if I can do that. But yeah, all right, hard work time. See you guys later. Boys, I am happy to say I think we secured the bag and got the oil pan back in. All those bolts, all the bolts are back in. Everything's tightened. I had to use a couple interior bolts for my car, but just at least, I mean, they're better than 42-year-old bolts, so they should be alright. I didn't put the oil back in the car. That's, you guys all know what that looks like. I'm not going to show you guys that. But now I'm working on the intake right here. As you can see, it's so well placed. But I basically just took everything apart, starting from scratch, starting everything again, gonna figure this out. Might take some time, but gonna figure it out. That's a bet. A bet. Boom, boys, the intake is in. It is in, finally. So what the issue was apparently just our coupling was backwards. So these rippled parts got to be on this side, not over here. We had those parts over here until it wasn't working right. So yeah, that fixed everything. Just this. It's in. It's bolted. It's like wobbles a little bit, but nothing too crazy. It's not going to be tapping on stuff, which is important. So that basically finishes everything that we were working on. That was hard. I got it all done, and the guys only left an hour and 12 minutes ago, I think. So yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. So I'm actually so hyped. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself. I mean, shit, that was hard. That was difficult. The intake actually wasn't that bad, honestly. I've done much harder stuff than that. The oil pan, that was some shit. That was some shit, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's that. Now it's time to take it off these ramps and put my garage back the way it was. Oh yeah. In fact, you know what? It's kind of dark, but it's not that dark. Maybe I'll take it for a little spin around the footprint corner. I don't know. We'll see. Ow, my hand. Smacked on the side of the thing. Ooh, all right. Alright boys, I got everything cleaned up. The whole garage, well, it's not clean, but it's swept. There was a huge pile of rust, like right there, and some oil right there. I mean, there's still some oil right there. But I think it's about time I take this Datsun out for a spin, see what it's all about, you know what I mean? Just around the block, like literally around the block, and then, yeah, because that's not a real tag. Alright, not gonna use the light because, yeah, Low on battery here. Ooh, that was a little bit of a sputter, but I think she's alright. She choked a little bit, but I think she's good.
That's what she said.
That was a big pop. Holy shit. Holy shit, dude. This thing is nuts. Woo! Wow. This thing's so easy to drive. So easy to drive. It shifts so smooth, dude. Wow. I could drive this all day. I could drive this actually all day, honest to God. Alright guys, I am on my way back to school. This car, dude, what a weekend. This was an event. This weekend was a big one. Wow, man. Can't believe it. Can't believe it, dude. But, yeah.